10 reasons why artificial intelligence will not take over human jobs. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly advancing, and it has the potential to revolutionize many industries. Some people are concerned that AI will eventually take over human jobs, leading to widespread unemployment. However, it is unlikely that AI will completely replace human workers. In this video, we will explore the ways in which AI is being used in the job market, the potential benefits and drawbacks of this technology, and the reasons why it is unlikely to completely take over human jobs. We will also discuss the ways in which AI is being used to augment human workers, making them more productive and efficient. By understanding the role of AI in the job market, we can better prepare for the future and ensure that the benefits of this technology are shared by all. Let's see those 10 reasons why it is unlikely that artificial intelligence will completely take over human jobs. 1. AI is best at performing highly specialized tasks, rather than tasks that require a broad range of skills. 2. Many jobs require creativity, empathy, and other qualities that are difficult for AI to replicate. 3. There may be regulatory or ethical barriers to the widespread adoption of AI in certain industries. 4. The development and deployment of AI systems can be expensive, making it cost-prohibitive for some organizations to adopt them. 5. AI systems may be vulnerable to hacking or other forms of cyberattack. 6. AI systems can be biased if they are trained on biased data. 7. AI systems require maintenance and support from human technicians. 8. Some jobs may be too dangerous for AI to perform, such as jobs in the military or emergency response. 9. Many people may be resistant to the idea of working alongside AI or may prefer to work with other humans. 10. It is possible that new jobs will be created as a result of the adoption of AI, offsetting any job losses. It is important to note that while AI may be able to automate certain tasks, it is unlikely to completely replace human workers. It is more likely that AI will augment human workers, allowing them to be more productive and efficient. Thanks for watching.